In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Asana tasks to Google Calendar using an ICS link. By the end, you'll have your due-dated tasks showing up right alongside your meetings, so you can plan your day with everything in one place. Before we start, make sure you already have the ICS link from Asana. This is a special web address that lets Google Calendar subscribe to your tasks and keep them updated automatically. You don't need to download anything, just have that link ready to paste. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. I recommend doing this on a computer for the smoothest setup. Sign in with the Google account where you want the tasks to appear. Keep your Asana tab handy so you can quickly grab or confirm the ICS link if needed. On the left side of Google Calendar, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Hover over it and click the plus icon next to it. This opens up a small menu of ways to bring in outside calendars. From that menu, choose From URL. This is important because From URL creates a live, ongoing subscription to your Asana feed. It's different from Import, which is a one-time snapshot. We want continuous syncing, so From URL is the correct choice. Now paste the ICS link you copied from Asana into the URL field. Be sure you paste the entire link, with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. This tells Google Calendar exactly where to find your Asana task feed. Click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will create a new subscribed calendar under Other Calendars, and that's where your Asana tasks will appear. You should see the calendar name listed there, and your tasks with due dates will start showing up on the correct days. If you don't see them immediately, don't worry. It may take a few minutes for the initial sync to complete. You can navigate around your calendar or refresh the page while it loads. Once connected, Google Calendar will periodically check for updates, so changes you make in Asana will flow through automatically. A couple of helpful notes. Tasks typically show as all-day events on their due date, and this feed is read-only from Google Calendar, so make your edits in Asana. You can manage visibility and color like any other calendar in Google Calendar to keep things organized. That's it. Open Google Calendar, click the plus next to Other Calendars, select From URL, paste your Asana ICS link, and click Add Calendar.